A cave that inhales and exhales like a living thing. Welcome to the mystery that won't stop breathing. Deep in the hills, locals whisper about a cave that breathes, powerful gusts that swell and fall on their own. Scientists measure pressure and wind, but instruments can't catch what villagers feel. Timing, rhythm, almost intention. Some say trapped air tunnels. Others whisper ancient spirits drawing breath from the earth. Explorers who enter report the temperature changing, a pulse underfoot. Voices that ride the airflow, like echoes with purpose. Tonight, Fast Facts, it's real wind interacting with hidden chambers. Utiwank. If you prefer mystery, an underground lung, reminding us the planet is alive. Decide for yourself. But if you hear a cave breathe, stand still, listen, and don't exhale first.